Let me tell you a little something about this house. This isn't just any build, this is the model home, the one that used to make everyone jealous. Five bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and one of them is a casita. Mountain views, a fireplace, and a backyard that actually stops you in your tracks. Built in 2017, still feels brand new because it was built to impress from day one. Northwest Las Vegas, Sky Canyon area, close to Mount Charleston, the kind of home people drive through neighborhoods hoping to find. Thanks for joining me on this tour. Unlike me, this home is not going to sit long. Call me for your own private showing.